All right, the NCE PowerCab. At first it wouldn't work. Don't know why it started working. It didn't work. So I've got it hooked up to test track or programming track for right now. It's one of my 30-inch flex track pieces. At first it would like come on for a second, like a split second, and then it wouldn't come back on again. And then I finally took the little telephone cable looking thing out, plugged it in, so I don't know if it was a fit issue or what it was. Thought I had a bad power supply, but I didn't. So I'm brand new at this, and the video is gonna suck, but it is what it is. So let's see what direction we're going. Forward. I'm trying to get used to the buttons. It's so different. It takes like 10 speed steps before it starts to go. And thank goodness for the decrease by like 10s. Then the direction increased by 10. Hadn't done any program, I just left them. I'm leaving them at their original numbers for now. 5, 6, 7, 2, whatever, until I figure this thing out. This is speed steps individually. Oops, change the direction. It's way different than my Bachmann. It's cool though, it's really cool. I'm just not used to it at all. Not at all. Speed step 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Seems like it doesn't take off till like 6 or 7. Anyway, here we are in reverse again. Here we go by 10s. That's 5. Well, maybe it's in 5s. Oh, I guess it's in 5s. That's 9. That's 13. That's 17. 13, 9, 5, 1. Kind of wish it had a, well, for one thing, when you hit stop, it doesn't, unless it's flashing or something. I don't see it though. Anyway, it doesn't indicate a stop. So I hit stop, unless there's some asterisk or something up there. But it's not indicating it on the screen. Anyway. Let me stop this thing. Gotta learn it all. It's working though. Cool.